Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Gibson and today I will be giving you a general background on the sport of lacrosse. Lacrosse is the fastest growing sport in the United States, so this slidecast is for those who would like to learn more about this fast-paced sport. The sport of lacrosse was invented by the Native American tribe called the Iroquois on the east coast of the United States around the 1630s. This version of lacrosse is very different from the sport we play now. One big difference is that the players use no paddings and there were commonly over 100 players in each game. These games they played took the place of wars between rival tribes and would commonly be played for over 24 hours. Another thing that is different between the historical version of lacrosse and the sport that is played now is the lacrosse sticks that they used. As you can see here, a lacrosse stick has changed a lot over the years. At the very beginning, a lacrosse stick was a simple stick used that, or excuse me, a lacrosse stick was a very simple tool with a split branch and used some sinew for netting. Over the years, this evolved to have a much bigger netting section, as well as the sticks getting overall longer. In the more modern age, lacrosse sticks are no longer made out of wood, but instead plastic, metal, and nylon. The most modern sticks are extremely lightweight yet durable thanks to composite materials like fiberglass and carbon fiber. Today, lacrosse is played on a 110-yard by 60-yard field, so the game is typically held on a football field with custom lacrosse lines painted in the turf. Surrounding each team's goal is the crease, which marks an area that only the goalie and defenders may enter. In the middle of the field is the penalty box. Similar to hockey, lacrosse issues penalties in the form of losing a player for a certain amount of time. Today, lacrosse uses 5 main items to play. These are a helmet, chest pads, elbow pads, gloves, and of course, a lacrosse stick. Over the years, lacrosse gear has gotten safer and lighter, allowing for more exciting and fast-paced play. Lacrosse is commonly said to be the fastest sport played on 2 feet with a ball, and if you ever get a chance to watch a game, I'm sure you will agree. I hope this short, general background of the sport will make you more likely to watch a game, or maybe even try to play. Thank you for the time, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions.